Okay, now we're still at the suburban property. I'm in one of our aquatic greenhouses. This is greenhouse number 2. If you take a look at the structure, only because it's unusual, this is a greenhouse within a greenhouse. So all winter long we keep the water that's in here and the plants around at 63 to 65 degrees. So our tropical plants are blooming right through the winter. We propagate all winter long, so we have and develop approximately 28,000 water plants here that are ready for the spring and summer. This is part of our water lily collection. These are all day blooming water lilies. You can see the fantastic flowers on them, their colors and their size compared to my hand. The foliage, some of these plants are 5 to 6 foot in diameter. We also grow some very, very large specimen papyrus. This is a plant that's probably 12 to 15 years old. These plants will grow to 6 to 8 foot high. So they're not only used in the pond in the summertime, but they're great houseplants. The problem is sometimes they're so beautiful in the home that they're left there. If they're placed in a large, beautiful container that holds water, they overwinter, but instead of coming out in the spring, they get new ones in the spring for the pond. And these are just great plants to have any place, inside, outside, on the patio, in any tub that holds water. We build bogs in our pond where fish can't get into them. That's where we put our plants. Another mistake that people commonly make in the koi pond, not in the goldfish pond, is to build a shelf on the side of the pond and put water plants sitting on top of that shelf in containers. Just as you would buy any plant in a nursery, such as an azalea, and bring it home and plant it in the bed somewhere around the house, you really want to do that with the water lilies. The water lily plastic container that you buy with the plant is actually for someone like me to grow it in. When you get the azalea home, you take it out of the pot and you put it in the bed around the house. Do the same thing with the water lily. You take it out of the pot and you plant it in the bed in the pond. It's called a bog. We have very unusual varieties. You can see it in the background of water lotus. And again, we grow approximately 28,000 water plants a year, both hardy and tropical.